Hey folks, welcome back. Well, we're here to get the last of the windows in. It's Saturday morning, or Saturday afternoon actually, as you can see. It's a nice sunny day. Well, reasonably sunny. What do you expect for February? Right, so got the old rusty screws to come out. These are the ones that we done last week. As you can see, really good fit. Just that one there, basically levering against the door. It's dented the door in, so get that out when we go for paint. It's get the dent puller on it and pull it out. But the mission for today then. Here's my wee beastie, the wee mini club one. There you go, number one window out. So we've got to scrape all this, the old mastic adhesive off and sand it back, get rid of all these bits of mastic from the inside of the frame to accept the new frame. It takes a bit of getting off, by the way. It's but really shocked by how little corrosion there is on the inside of this. I thought with the state of the screws there would have been a lot of ingress, but no, really good. So anyway, sanded down, Vactaned and etch primed, ready to accept the window. So just leave it to dry and it's good to go. It's just rough. It's, as you can see, it's dark, the window's in. I say, rather than filming the whole thing today, I just sort of took the obviously the highlights of it. As you can see, it's dark and I'm still here. Anyway, yeah, really pleased with these windows. They are superb quality. They look really well on the van. So yeah, I'll be really pleased when I see it painted. As I say, don't be judging the bit of painting, because it's not. It's literally just to stop the metal from rusting until such times as it goes for paint. It'll all be getting sanded back off again and re-primed. This is literally, as I say, to stop it rusting away. So here we are. It's Sunday morning. It's a bit dull, but it's nice. It'll do. It's dry. That's all that matters. So there you go. You can get a better look at the window from last night in the light of day. As I say, really chuffed with them. They are really nice quality windows. They look the part. And the inner trim as well. As I say, same again. They've got the fly screen, mosquito net, and the blackout blind. You see, that's paper that's on them, so they're not as they're not opaque. They're not etched. It's just the protective film. But this is the one today. We'll get this one out. It's out. Same again. Scrape the mastic off. There's Simba supervising as usual. He's feeling sorry for himself. Anyway, there you go. D8. Back to metal. Cleaned up all the old screw holes. Vactan. This is the rust treatment. Just prevents it. It's a metal converter. It's just to stop it rusting. And there we are. Etch primed. Same again. It's just to protect the metal until we get to paint. So I've put the frame on the window and I'm pilot drilling all the holes, because unlike the back windows, they were actually pilot drilled. These ones aren't. So to make life easy for myself, I'm going to go and pilot them all, because then I can line up the screws and it makes it that bit easier to combine the two frames. But yeah, these windows, really pleased with them. Can't wait to see them against the proper painted van with all the film and all the crap off them and stuck in properly. So I say, little 3mm drill bit. I've just went round and piloted it, and that way I can line up the hole when I've got it, because as I say, there's like 60mm of a gap between the inner frame and the outside window. So you put the screw through and try and line it up, and when you try to hold it on your own and line up the frame on the inside, it's almost impossible. So obviously if I pilot it when the two of them are together, it's dead easy to just line the screws up and drag it together. But been a nice wee day. It's not that cold. It's dry. That's all that matters to me. It's dry. So this is it's like a draft excluder type stuff that I'm using. It's just a sticky back, and it's temporary. It's just because obviously the windows are going to be coming out and in when we're doing the body work and stuff, and then when it goes for paint, I want the windows out so that the frames and the reveals get painted as well. So got this stuff from Tool Station. It's only as I say, it's like a rubber sealant strip with sticky back on the back of it, so I've just put that round. I say it'll compress against the side of the van and stop any water ingress for now. As I say, when the windows go in properly, they'll be getting put in with Sikaflex. 512 it used to be, but it's now 522, I believe. I've got the tubes there anyway, but I'm reliably informed that the 512 is now 522. Certainly looks like the same tube as the stuff that I used to use. But yeah, we'll just stick this on and then we'll get it thrown in. See, it's one of those little tedious jobs. So it's just try to get the paper backing off. Can take longer than actually doing the job. But yeah, it's good stuff. Anyway, we trial fit. Look at that, like a glove. Whip it back out, and we'll take it inside and yeah, really pleased. It's a right good fit. Measurements are absolutely spot on. And you see, same again, just had to take the little triangle, because obviously same again, they're rounded at the bottom, the old windows, and the new one's obviously square. So there we go, just pop it out from in. Put it in against the hole, then this is the contortionist bit. You go get your arms through and hold the window. This is the only thing when you're doing it on your own. And say, yesterday I had Sandra holding the window in for me. So get my torch out. I've left my bloody goggles in the van. I've left my glasses in the van. Never mind. We'll do it blind. habit. Going looking for my glasses there and I've not got them. Anyway, as I say, there's 12 screws, 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top, 2 either side, and that's what draws the frame together and the window together. As I say, they're a really good fit. Obviously I'll have to trim the infill between the window and the inner frame, because obviously they're designed to be in like a thin caravan structure, or a horse box type thing, where there's not a thick wall. As I say, there's 60mm in this, 65mm between the front and the inside, so it's quite a bit to make up. So yeah, just sort of nip up the 12 screws and stuck it on fast forward, so then we're just watching that. But yeah, they go in really well, they look really well. There you go, one window in. You see there's the gap I'm talking about, so you've got that, so I'll fill that in with a piece of black window trim, and there you go, outside. Back ones, nip you back inside, and there we go, all 4 windows. As I say, they'll be out and in. I like these wee catches, they're really neat. Well, that's it for this week. If you liked the wee video, give us a like and a subscribe, and catch us all later. Take care out there, people. Ta-ra.